Hello and welcome back. Welcome back to the pet room. Not the pet room, the pool room. So I'm looking inside this 4032 that recently fried, and I'm just trying to figure out. I am going to cut this wire, and I guess I'll just cut it around the middle. I just have big scissors, and I will figure this out at some point. I shall figure it out. Hey, why won't you cut? It's trying to slide out. Oh man, there. It is snipped. So be it. Now, typically speaking, to get a pet out of its case, there are 3 screws. One near the side here, one way over here in the back. Sometimes, you really gotta remember, these have been in here a long time. Sometimes initially, you really gotta lean on it to make sure that you don't strip the head, but you get the screw out. And then there's one in the back corner. Now that doesn't sound like much, and indeed, it's not much, but there are more fasteners that we must deal with here. There are. Okay. So we're going to zoom in. We are. So what we have now is we have these little feet things. Is that all I can zoom in? Oh, I can zoom in more. We have these little feet things. And generally you got to take some pliers or something, give them a little squeeze, and then pop them up. Now there are 3, and it's like one side has a little finger that comes out. So you're going to try and find the offensive opposing finger. Why can't I see it? Oh, maybe it's over here. I'm on the one at the side here. Are we coming up? We're not coming up. Where is the finger? Maybe I also need some reading glasses here. It's funny, this one doesn't really look like it has one, but I'm sure that it does. Oh yeah, I think I found it. Okay, so you gotta squeeze, get that off, keep that off, and then the next one is over here, and right now it's behind the keyboard connector. Once again, oh, and there's always this capacitor. It's in the way a little bit. So give it a squeeze, if you please. And out comes the board. It's done. It's out. Now, but is it happy? Well, we'll find out. So I wish I didn't have to cut that wire, but I did. So there is the inside of a pet. Its mounts, the plastic mounts, they stay put. The screw holes stay put. There is the power supply and the melted wire. There it is. Still quite baffled, but anyway. All right, these things happen. I'm just glad that I believe the board is okay. So in the next video, I will put this board into the other pet and make sure it's okay. So, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon, back here in the pool room. Bye for now.